YouTube, and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So today I'm going to be spraying this Ford Focus in winning blue with my latest addition to the arsenal, which is the LS-400 Supernova Black Mamba edition. Pretty damn good looking gun if I don't say so myself. I've been playing around with the settings on this gun. I've only used it on one job so far. So it's LS-400, so that's the HPLP version. I was playing around with it yesterday, so I used it for Basecoat and Flickr. And if you look here, it says 26 psi inlet. That'll be 10 psi at the cap. So yeah, let's try it. Right on 25 psi. So the settings are full fan, full fluid, 2 turns out on the fan, so wind that fan knob right in and then come out 2 full turns, and obviously that 25 psi. As I said, I've been playing around with those pressures. I started off yesterday at 2 bar pressure and then dropped it down to 20 and then went around to 25, and I think they're right. What they say on the cap's probably right in Basecoat. 25 psi is probably the sweet spot. Yeah, it really does apply the Basecoat nice and evenly. So I'm doing these doors first because when I put my wet on wet primer down, I've got a pot drip. So what I have done, I was here for like 2 minutes with the heat gun before, and so I'm sort of leaving that for a couple of minutes just so I'm putting coat on these. That can start drying as I'm continuing on. Yeah, look, I mean, this thing looks thick, but I still think the Lotus has got something on it. I still think the Lotus does look a little bit nicer. Just that green looks thick on the spray gun. So we'll get a coat on these insides of these doors. Get some of this grunt work done before I go and sand that top drip out. So the insides of these doors are only going to need 2 coats. So obviously you can see I've put my wet on wet primer down. I did that, yeah, off cam. I used the GPI for my wet on wet. The GPI was 1.4. It's been serving me quite well as a wet on wet gun lately. I just put like a bit of a dust coat on the insides of the doors. That's all you really need, just to make it blue. Some people don't even put any colour in there. I look at those people and see them as just being a touch lazy, to be honest. I mean, if I pulled my door trim off my car, I would want it to be red underneath there, you know? At least half a coat. At least pretend like you care about my car. When you're spraying it, you know? I'm going to put this second coat on pretty wet. Hopefully we'll get coverage after 3 coats. The first coat was sort of a medium wet one. Second one will go for our coverage. Third one will be for the metallics to lay down nicely without any muscle or anything like that. So that coat's going to take a little bit longer to dry because it has been put down a bit heavier, obviously. I'll skip that heavy coat on the inside. 2 coats is all we need here. Yeah, so a bit busy this week. Alan is off to trade school. Hopefully we'll get him back halfway through next week or something. wait until I use this gun on, say, like some core silver blends, till I can tell you if I think it's better than the TV1. But yeah, initial thoughts is absolutely killer gun. I'm at this point at the moment with this gun, I'm like, I don't know what to use it for. Like, it seems to spray the base coat really well, but it lays the clear down perfectly. So I'm like, what do I use it as, a base coat or a clear coat gun? So, as I say, at the moment I'm using it as both, base coat and a clear coat gun. These are that pot drip that I got. I was spraying here and it just dripped out the top of the pot. So what I did was just blew it, got the air just to sort of like flatten it out a little bit, so that it would dry quicker, and also it's not going to be as high profile, like it's not going to be raised up as much, sort of just level it out a little bit. And yeah, this is going to work just fine. I can barely feel that already. I don't want to go through because this dark primer is going to work as a bit of a ground coat. So I've just started going through, I'm stopping. That's going to be fine. That'll work. Alright, now I need to get the base coat blender down. I've got in this gun here, A&I F160 1.2. So I've usually got two tack rags on the go, like a bit of a dirty one I'll use for stuff like this. Now I've got a clean one I'll use for blends. And then just sort of like rotate them. You know, like when this one starts getting dirty, I'll throw that out, and this will be my dirty tack rag, you know. Whatever works for you, mate. This works for me. So when I put that wet on wet down, I did put a piece of paper over this fender here. I didn't want to go and get that dark primer overspray all over my blend panel. I really want clear there. Right, yeah, looks good. That's that. Now we'll get some colour down on this quarter panel. So when I was spraying this colour out, it really didn't cover that well at all. So come to think of it, I might even just put an extra coat on this job. Might even go for the fourth coat. This colour here is just full of blue pearls, which don't usually cover that well. I'm sure if it was like Chromax Pro, it'd cover really well. See, even here I can see that's much darker than here. You can really still see those primer patches being quite dark. I mean, I think I did choose a good primer colour for this colour, because the colour is a bit of a dark blue, so I wouldn't have wanted to go too much lighter than this, but yeah, still probably it's not going to hurt just to put that one extra coat maybe on the outside, on the exterior panels. Make sure I spray that at the same time. That's the fuel flap. Reload soon, do a bit of a top up, starting to run out of that base coat, I think. So that's drying nice and quick. Good old solvent base, mate, gotta love it. We've still got probably another full pot here. More than always good. What did I mix up? 1.3 litres. I think I might get a little bit of that extra out of there so I don't overdo it and get another pot drip. Rightio, baby. So yeah, I might actually get a coat down on this blend. Might get that second coat down over here too. Put another coat over these insides and that'll just about do it for the insides, I'd say. Put it on nice and wet just to make sure it's covered. That pressure's jumped up. I had a feeling it had jumped up. So I'll go that medium wet one here. I'll go one more medium wet one just to be sure it is covered, as I said before. And we still actually have to do our second coat on the inside of these doors too. You see, like, if you sort of like plan your journey, I guess, like plan the way you go, you shouldn't really have to stop. Like I have not stopped at all spraying this job here. You know, by the time you get this done, that's dry. By the time you get that done, there's no like waiting in between coats or anything. That's one great thing about the good old solvent, mate. It dries nice and quickly. Got that boost cranked up to say 30 degrees. Yeah, it's always at 30 degrees all year round actually. them clear. And I think I'll do a separate video on the clear coat stage for this job here, so just about a wrap. But I'll make a separate video and I'll still use this gun for clear coat, so that should be the next video coming up on the Gunman Raw on YouTube. So yeah, actually I still do need to put one more coat over that blend panel, that fender there. So yeah, I'll go out, I'll clean this gun out, get some clear coat in it, and I'll see you in the next vid there, gunners. Looking good, baby, looking good. Woo! Ain't some shit.